Hi guys, I'd like to introduce our another type of ceiling fan today. It comes with a USB connector and a timer switch. There are 3 blades. The material is ABS plastic and it can be twisted at any angle. The total diameter of our ceiling fan is 500 millimeter. The installation is very simple. All you need to do is plug in the 3 blades into the slots, and then it's done. So, and the total length of our power cord is approximately 3 meters, but it also can be customized at any length you need. And this is our timer switch. As you can see, there are 3 indicating LEDs. This one, 2H means shut down the ceiling fan after 2 hours automatically. 4H means 4 hours. 12H means 12 hours. Just by pressing this button. And this is our USB connector. It could be, our ceiling fan could be powered by the power bank or any mobile phone charger which has 5 volts, 1.5 ampere output. So let's do a simple demonstration here. So our ceiling fan is very useful for camping or caravans or dormitories use, since we only need is a fan and a power bank. So let's connect it to the power bank, and then let's see. So let's turn the power bank on, and then we turn on the ceiling fan. So now we press it 1 time. It means shut down the ceiling fan after 2 hours. If we press it 1 more time, it means shut it down automatically after 4 hours. And then this one is 12 hours. If we press it 1 more time, all the 3 indicating LEDs will be on. It means the fan will stay on for always until we shut it down manually. And if we press it 1 more time, it will shut down the ceiling fan. And then let's check about the power consumption of this ceiling fan. This is a USB power meter. Let's connect it to the power bank, and then let's see. So now as you can see, the output is 5.1 volt. Let's turn it on. So now the current is approximately 1 ampere, and the power consumption is approximately 5 watts. Yes, that's the power consumption. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching.